This video is designed to help beginners gain confidence in speaking during everyday situations. Meeting new people. Hi, what's your name? My name is Brown. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Paris. How about you? What do you do for a living? I'm a banker. What about you? At the gym. Are you new here? Yes, this is my first day. Do you need help with the equipment? Yes. Could you show me how to use the treadmill? What are your fitness goals? I want to improve my cardio and build some muscle. At a clothing store. Can I help you find something? Yes, I'm looking for a pair of trousers. What size are you looking for? I'm looking for a size 30. Do you want to try them on? Yes, please. Where are the fitting rooms? At a library. Can I help you find something? Yes, I'm looking for a book on geography. Do you have a library card? Yes, I do. Here it is. When is this book due back? It's due in 2 weeks. At a tech store. How can I assist you today? I'm looking for a new laptop. What features are you looking for? I need one with a good battery life and fast processor. Do you need any accessories? Yes, I need a laptop case and a wireless mouse. At the bank. How can I help you today? I would like to open a savings account. Do you have a valid ID? Yes, here it is. Would you like to set up internet banking? Yes, that would be great. At a furniture store. Can I help you find something? Yes, I'm looking for a new dining table. Do you have a color preference? Yes, I prefer a dark brown. Do you need delivery service? Yes, please. How soon it can be delivered? On the phone. Hello, can I speak to Grace, please? This is Grace speaking. How can I help you? Is this a good time to talk? Yes, I have a few minutes. What's up? Can I call you back later? Sure, no problem. Talk to you then. At a flower shop. What kind of flowers are you looking for? I'm looking for a bouquet of roses. Do you want any specific color? Yes, I would like pink roses. Do you need a card with that? Yes, please. Include a card. At the cinema. What movie would you like to see? I would like to see the new horror movie. How many tickets do you need? 3 tickets, please. Would you like any snacks or drinks? No, thanks. At the post office. How can I send a registered letter? You need to fill out this registration form, attach it to your letter or parcel, and pay the registration fee at the counter. What are the delivery times for regular mail? Regular mail usually takes 3 to 7 days for delivery within country. How much does it cost to send a parcel to Rajasthan? The cost depends on the weight of the parcel. How can I track my speed post? You can track your speed post online using the tracking number provided at the time of dispatch. At a hospital, how do I book an appointment with a doctor? You can book an appointment by visiting the reception desk or calling our appointment line. Please provide your details and preferred time slot. What are the visiting hours? Visiting hours from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays and 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on weekends. Only 2 visitors are allowed. How can I get my medical test results? You can collect your test results from the lab reception desk after 24 hours. We also provide the option to view and download the results online using your patient ID. What brings you to the hospital? I'm here for a scheduled surgery. Do you have your insurance information with you? Yes, here it is. Who are you here to visit? I'm here to visit my friend Alex. Do you know the room number? Yes, he is in room number 140. Taking a taxi. Where to? Please take me to Coffee Cafe. Do you have a preferred route? No, just take the fastest way, please. How's the traffic today? It should take about 30 minutes depending on the traffic. It might be a bit longer if there is heavy traffic. Others. How is your family doing? They are doing really well. Thanks for asking. Everyone is healthy and happy. Things have been a bit tough lately. We are dealing with some challenges. Have you traveled anywhere recently? Yes, I just got back from a trip to France. It was beautiful. No, I haven't had the chance to travel lately. Maybe next month. How is your job going? It's going really well. I just got a promotion and I'm excited about the new responsibilities. It's been pretty stressful day. We have had a lot of deadlines to meet. How was your day? My day was great. Thank you. Not good. A few things didn't go as planned. Are you free right now? Yes, I'm free. What do you need? No, I'm tied up with something right now. What's your daily routine like? I wake up at 5 a.m., go to the gym, work from 9 to 5, and then have dinner with my family. Every day is different, but I generally spend most of my time working and then relaxing at home. What's on your plate? I'm having a sandwich and some chips. Today it's a homemade pasta. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra is the capital of Australia.